Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday, which means I'm going to the farmer's market in a little while. There's a few things I need to get. Some are for tonight, but some things for the week. Yesterday was a simple day. I put together cream. I'm scratching that word creamy. It's still on my paper copy. Avocado pasta salad. Basically, I made it all like in the morning except for the avocado. I waited until Robin and I got back from going to one of our favorite stores, IKEA. Yeah. We had a good time. It's amazing how empty that place is on a weekday. So there's the suggestion to you, if you're IKEA fans, go during the weekday. Super simple parking, really nobody in the store, not like a weekend. We got check it out real fast, picked up some stuff for the kitchen. Yeah. All right, so basically I waited till we got home, turned the AC on in the house. First time this year. It works, thank God. So then I added the avocado, and it was really good. Tonight, the culinary expedition continues. We are going to Brazil. Yeah, this is I've been looking forward to this dish for a couple of reasons. I was doing some research. I was up early, like usual. I was doing some research on spices and stuff. But the big thing is, actually, let me tell you what I'm making. It might help. Sorry for the bad pronunciation. This is Spanish, which I don't speak very well. Moqueca Baiana, which is a Brazilian fish stew. Let's get to it. Hardware's out. Using my medium-sized saucepan because I'm making a half recipe. I added something in the middle of the night. I'm actually adding a lime rice to this. It's actually suggested in the recipe. So little small fry pan and crockery for rice. One thing I've been looking forward to is this Chilean sea bass, which I picked up at Goldfish Seafood Market here in Yuba City. It was frozen when I got it. It's 8 ounces, like almost right on the knuckle. 8 ounces of sea bass. The stew contains red bell pepper. One of the things I'm hoping to pick up at the farmer's market, if not, I'll grab it at my grocery shopping, is a white or yellow onion to replace this half of red. Kosher salt, black pepper, olive oil. There's coconut milk in this. Garlic. They suggest a good fish stock, but I'm going to use veggie stock. That's the other alternative. Some crushed tomatoes. That's about 7 ounces sitting there. And it's defrosting. I forgot to pull it out. Paprika. I'm going to be using Spanish paprika from local spicery. I might change my mind on that. This is Mexican cumin powder. And a good substitute for the Brazilian is this arbol chili powder from Mexico. A little bit of sugar. I'm going to be picking up some fresh lime since I'm doing the lime rice. I need the zest. So it's going to be, there's lime juice in both, garlic in both. Cilantro, I'm buying new cilantro today. It's the end of the week. And there's more onion in the lime rice. So here are the goodies for tonight's expedition meal. And if you didn't see the picture from last night, that's 24 brand new spice jars from IKEA. I plan on swapping out some of my older jars, the old what I call the MB jars, the tall, slender ones, because I really like the IKEA jar. I really do. They got a nice large mouth on it, and they hold 2.5, 3 ounces easy. Yeah, and they don't tend to fall over. Not that I have that problem. All right. So if you beat the heat yesterday, beat the heat today, because it's supposed to be back up there again. They're supposed to get a little bit of a break tomorrow, according to the weather reports I've seen. I know enough about me. Blah, 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 blah. All right. So on this Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.